So using Adobe Bridge, what you can also do is send some media files to Adobe Media Encoder to encode it in different formats as you like. So to do that, let me just go ahead and select out these particular video clips that I have right here. So now what I can simply do is I can go around onto tools, and over here on the top you can see that media encoder is an option. So here you can see that I have an option to add this to encoder queue right here, just like this. So I got multiple clips. Let me just go around over here and select it out. And what happens is that it'll now load up Adobe Media Encoder. So over here you can see that it has loaded up Adobe Media Encoder right here, and all of the videos that I selected right here has now been listed right here. So you can see that by default S.264 is selected, but you can go ahead and select out, let's say, other type of video files right here, and go ahead and encode this out according to how you want, as these are imported in Adobe Media Encoder. And that is how you can send files from Adobe Bridge directly to Adobe Media Encoder for encoding process. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.